Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Santa's Workshop. Today I have got a great product for you. This is made by LOKITHOR and it is called The One. And I want to tell you something, it's a JTC 4250. Does not have the air compressor on it, but this is a battery jumper, a power pack, a portable charger, and a battery tester. Now, I have to apologize to LOKITHOR. I have drugged my feet getting a video done on this. Mainly it's because I have been using this thing like crazy for powering up the El Caballero, getting the seats to slide back and forth, just a little bit of everything. But I had not had a battery to try it out on. Now I do. I found this one laying under the table. This was a good battery. It's dated 1 of 19. It's an Everstart value. So it's one of the lower end Everstarts. Dead as a doornail. I know it is. But what I'm going to do is we're going to turn this on. And we are going to check it. See how much juice it's got. Which I'm sure none. Then we are going to charge it with this. Then we will test the battery to see if it is good or not. But this has got the LiFePO Tech or LiFePO4 Tech. It's a jump starter. It does gas up to 10 liters, diesel up to 8 liters. Jump starter, battery tester, battery charger. And what I really love about this is you can turn it on and you hit your, let's see, you got 0 volts. Let's go ahead and hook it up. I take that back, it's got 1.8 volts. So it does still have voltage. It's just very low. But what I love about this is you can check this right here. And you've got jump start. You can go to normal start or force start. I've been using the force start and using these as my power cables to do stuff in the car. Checking circuits, things like that, just so I don't have to have it hooked, hard hooked to a battery. If I need to kill a circuit, all I gotta do is grab this and yank. But then we've got battery charge, battery test, power supply, which, like most of these things, here they are. You got your USB and USB-C right there. You got your charging cables right here. And then you have your work light. Always have to have a work light. Let's see here. And there's your work light. Dimmer, real dim, flashing. Oh, check out your warning light. And off. I like that yellow warning light. That's cool. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to go up here to battery charge. Now we have normal charge, force charge, or repair charge. So we're going to click on this and we're going to go down to repair charge. And once we hit repair charge, we are going. We got 2.3 volts in the battery. And we're just going to let this thing go. And we will come back with this video after it has done its repair charge. All right. Well, we left it on the charger most of the day. And I did the repair charge on it. Let's see if it worked on this battery. 119, so it is a 6-year-old battery, and it's got 11.9 volts in it. Been sitting here for about 2 days since I did that charge. So let's click here, and we're at jump start. Let's go down, see, battery charge, battery test. Click, battery test, flooded, yes, cold cranking amp, And it is a 750. Is that correct? Nope, 600. 600. Yeah. 600 cold cranking amp. And it is testing. Let's see how it did. Battery needs charging. 11.97 volts. So, let me charge it again a little bit. Be right back. All right. It has taken 3 days, but repair charge, 100% charge complete. And I'm talking a full 37, or say 24, 48, 72 hours. Full 72 hours for this thing to charge. So let's close out of this and close out again. Let's go down to battery test. Okay, battery test. We're flooded. Cold cranking amp. Standard 600. And it's testing. Let's see what we got. Battery good performance. 13.27 volts. It says it saved it. Now, I want to show you all this. This is a value EverStart battery from Walmart. 600 cold cranking amp. And here is the date on it. 1 of 19. This is a 6-year-old battery that it would take a charge, but it went back down within a day. And now it says it is good. So, hang on a second here. This LOKITHOR battery charger, battery tester, and jump box just got me a $150 battery. That is pretty stinking awesome. I want to have to start finding other batteries I got laying around. I know I got one other, and setting up on this thing and seeing if it will save it as well. But I want to put that back on the shelf, and we're going to use it for something. Don't know what, but we got an extra battery. Thank you, LOKITHOR, for sending this to me. Now remember, it's LOKITHOR, the one, JTC 4250. Check them out. They sell on Amazon. I've had several of their products. And look, there. Yep, come on. Focus in, buddy. See if y'all can use that scan code. But yeah, check them out. They have got some good battery charging, jump start. They've got the jump start air compressor combos. I gave one to my sister. She's been using it over a year, used it several times. Plus, you got your regular power bank and a work light. So, guys, go check it out. And I just want to say thank you, LOKITHOR. Sorry I couldn't get this video out when you wanted, but by golly, we got her done finally. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time on Santa's Workshop. Check them out down below.